AWS Amplify Storage is a cloud-based storage service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows developers to store and manage files for their mobile and web applications. To get started with AWS Amplify Storage, you first need to create an AWS account and set up an Amplify project. Once you have set up your project, you can use the Amplify CLI to initialize and configure your storage service. You can then use the Amplify Storage API to upload and manage files in your application. The Amplify Storage API provides a simple and intuitive interface for storing and retrieving files. One of the key features of AWS Amplify Storage is its ability to handle large files and high traffic volumes. This makes it ideal for applications that require a high level of scalability and performance. Additionally, Amplify Storage provides advanced security features such as access controls and encryption to ensure that your files are protected. To use AWS Amplify Storage in your application, you need to import the Amplify library and configure it with your AWS credentials. You can then use the Amplify Storage API to upload and download files. For example, you can use the put method to upload a file and the get method to download a file. Best practices for using AWS Amplify Storage include optimizing your file uploads and downloads for performance and using access controls to restrict access to your files. You should also use encryption to protect your files and ensure that they are transmitted securely. In conclusion, AWS Amplify Storage is a powerful and flexible cloud-based storage service that provides a simple and intuitive interface for storing and managing files. By following best practices and using the Amplify Storage API, you can build scalable and secure applications that meet the needs of your users.